these are the trade opportunities from today. This is the New York open session, 9:30 to 10:30. This is the NQ 1-minute chart. This is the same simple setup that I had in the last video. I've got the XXX painting the background. I've got the MMT Heiken Ashi painting the candles. But if we're just taking trades based on the background strategy, we get our first background change on the first candle of the New York Open here. We did not break lower right away. We pulled up quite a bit. It was only towards the last little bit of the candle that we came down. This is the first trade that I got into this morning. I had a limit order that I put a couple points below the low of this entry candle. We had about 10 points of room down to our next key level. I just realized my key levels label had been adjusted to a chart with a different candle size. You can choose the position of these labels in the key levels indicator settings. I'm going to have the X bar offset at 6. So now I can see all these labels. This was yesterday's high. I cashed out for about 8 points, but it definitely came down a full 10 points. On my other 1-minute chart, see we had point of control drawn up into this big wick. We got a nice move lower. Again on the next candle, point of control drawn up into this big wick. Another move lower. Till this candle, point of control drawn down to the bottom of this big wick. We got a triple signal. I got RSI divergence, RSI reversal, ADX dot. I had a nice little bounce back up to the yesterday's open. Next, XXX background opportunity right here, green on green. So we're waiting for a break above by a couple points. Price never breaks above, no trade triggered. Next trade opportunity, green candle, red background. If you took the background candle break, came down over 40 points, right down to yesterday's point of control. If you waited for the red candle on red background break, you got the break over here. Hardly any drawdown. Came down almost 30 points to fill this gap. This orange dash line is the overnight open. This orange line is yesterday's close. You can see there's a gap between these two lines. That gap got filled, and we ended up bouncing back up to the 20 SMA from that area. Next background change on this candle. If we're waiting for a break above, we bounce up over 12 points in less than 2 minutes after the breakout. And like I've mentioned in previous videos, I'm usually going for 5 to 10 point scalps, just depending on the time of day, price action, volatility. Every day is a little bit different. Use your own personal discretion for your own take profits and stop losses. Next background change, waiting for a break lower. Pop down over 20 points in a few minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 winning trades for at least 10 points. As the day goes on and we're getting closer to 10:30, if I'm already up a bunch, I'm going to be extra picky if I'm taking any more trades this late in the day. We got another background change here. Taking the break above, we do get pretty much exactly 10 points before getting a retracement, popping up a little bit higher. Next background change, break lower. We make it down 12 points in 4 or 5 minutes. And now it's after 10:30, I'm done trading for the day. And also, as I have mentioned in many of my other videos, I'm not just trading one single strategy. I've got a playbook of about 20 different things that I'm looking for. This is just one aspect of it. If you want to see how I trade this in the live markets, there are countless live trading videos on my channel where I record all of my live trade sessions and explain exactly why I got in. I'm not going to be doing the live trade review videos anymore for a while. Pretty burnt out on those, and they get the absolute least views out of any videos that I make. Either way though, they're a big pain in the butt for video editing. Doing the review videos are way easier. I am still planning on getting into the regular live streaming, and until that day, there are a copious amount of live trading videos on the channel where you can see all these things in live action, hear my thought processes, get some more insight into how I'm personally using this. Although the ultimate goal should be coming up with something that you personally feel gives you an edge, something that you've done your own back testing on and forward testing, thoroughly vetted yourself, and changed and tweaked to your own personal style of trading. Everyone sees the market a little bit different. Personal discretion is very personal, and there's no substitute for time in the markets. There's no magic indicator that's going to make you a better trader. And on that lovely note, there are links to all the fun toys in the description. There's links to all the prop firms that I'm trading with. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.